Hello everybody, welcome back to finally another Sniper Elite video. It's been about a few months since we played this. I think I said in my update video, I was going to try to diversify my content a little bit more again, so here we are. We are here with two birds, one stone. Hitler's presence at the airfield to view the prototype aircraft was instrumental in putting an end to this war. Taking him out would change history. I'm gonna shoot Hitler?
Hitler's presence at the airfield to view the prototype aircraft was instrumental in putting an end to this war. Taking him out would change history.
I don't understand why they don't put the
After
swastika
sneaking through a ventilation tunnel, I
I
had successfully infiltrated the airfield.
Okay.
I now had to find a good position for my assault during the prototype plane's showcase tomorrow.
Oh, this... What's in here? Okay, that uses that ammo. Does this use all the same ammo? It does, so I'm actually going to ditch this. Use this instead, because this is just a better weapon in general. And then I've got, trusty Mosey. Yeah. Alright. How do I crouch? Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, he's gonna come back up this way, huh? Isn't he? Trying to do like a stealth run here. I can't tell if he's going to. I don't want to him to turn around when I walk up there. You watch, he's gonna turn around on me. Beautiful. Beautiful hit. What's down there? Nothing? Of course nothing. Those dudes out here. I don't really need my sound masked at all. I just need to give this guy a wallop. Can I move bodies? No, I can't. Okay. It's okay. That is okay. Let's kill this guy off too. I don't want him like sneaking us or catching me sneaking around either. I think we're good. Okay. Ooh. Oh, you saw me. They're down. Tango's down. Tango's down, fellas. They're down. I didn't realize giving the guy a little paddle was gonna... What's a Mosey doing here? Huh. I barely. Oh. You're dead. We're good. Let's save here. Okay. So, quick question with this plane. How do you... Oh, there's doors right there. Okay. Alright. Oh, fudge! Negligent discharge, my bad. Negligent discharge. Sounds like a name of a band, like an indie band that's not really good. They suck like quite a bit. But they still get gigs somehow. So that's what you call them.
I needed to make my way to the other side of the airfield.
What?
I was sure I'd find a good vantage point there. Avoiding detection was key for things to go to plan. The stakes were too high for things to go sour.
Well, I already just blew some guys' heads off, so... Well, I think I already killed all the guys in here, so I think I'm good. Because they all ran that way. Okay.
An underground bunker looked like it connected the airfield together. It was sure to be heavily guarded, but it was my only option for getting across the runway.
I could definitely use a well rod right about now. Ooh, a shotgun. Nah, too loud.
I had to be careful whilst moving through the bunker. Being seen by the enemy could lead them to trigger the alarms.
Like I said. Uh-oh. Shoot nuts. I am really bad at this right now. Shoot, nope. Shoot.
I entered some sort of planning room. Key information was sure to be around here somewhere.
Okay. I am just on fire with this thing. Come here, no, you, here. No, you, here. I am just. Whoo. Yeah. Guys, we are wiping out this place and going after Hitler. Lost letter found. Another pistol. I will definitely. Wait. Not use that.
My target had changed. Hitler wasn't coming.
Oh.
The blizzard had made transport impossible. However, he was visiting a castle in the east in a few days, giving me another opportunity. The prototype aircraft was still scheduled to land tomorrow. Destroying it was now my only concern.
Cool. That way is inaccessible. So I'm going this way. That's full. Is that what I think it is? An M1 Garand. Well, I'll be dang. Well, we're trading this bad boy in for that. No. Yeah, buddy. Nope, you get back here. This game gives me some interesting Medal of Honor, like old Medal of Honor Frontline vibes. Maybe it's just me. Oh, freaking smacked the box. I gotta move my line out, my guardian out a little further. Shoot, well, that's not good. Why is that? Why do
I
I feel
had
so...
made it out of the bunker alive. It was time to find an ideal location for my raid on the plane showcase.
Yeah. All right. Completion time 11 minutes.
I had successfully made my way through the airfield and found an optimal spot to assault the aircraft. Now, all I had to do was wait for the snowstorm to ease.
That took a lot. That was really short. I would do another level though, but I don't know how long that one's gonna be. So, thank you guys so much for watching. We didn't do a whole lot on that one, but we'll definitely complete the mission without any alarms triggering. Yeah, I failed that one. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.